Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit town in Township. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Township on my phone and this is how my town looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find your money, the coins and also the papers. If you click on the plus icon, you can get some money with the real money. Right here, you're going to find your level, your population, and your population cap. Right here, you can view the settings. As you can see, guys, you can sign into your Facebook accounts. You're going to find some additional settings. You can contact the support, and you can also enter a promo code. Right here, if you click on this little note icon, you're going to find the available tasks that you have. If you complete the tasks, you're going to get some rewards. And basically, guys, if you want to edit your town, all you need to do, guys, is go to any buildings. For example, I'm going to go to this building and I'm going to hold click on it. And as you can see, guys, I'm right now in the edit mode. So I can change the place of this building. For example, I'm going to change it to this place. If you click on the X icon, you're going to cancel the changes. If you click right here, you can change or rotate the building. And if you click on the green icon, you're going to save the changes. For example, I'm going to change also the place of this building. I'm going to move it to this place and then click on save. And as you can see, guys, I edited my town. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.